So today we will start very basic of Windows PowerShell. So for changing the host configuration, the console configuration, the manual method is go to this logo of Windows PowerShell, right click on it, go to properties, and we are going to change the font size, the font style, the layout which contains screen buffer size, window size from here. Or the colors, we can change all these things manually from here. But if we want to change these configurations from the Windows PowerShell itself via cmdlet, we can use this command get host. So you can see that we are getting all this information related to this host. Name is console host, its version, its instance ID, its UI, its culture, its private data, its debugger enabled or not, its run space pushed or not. All this type of data we can get from the cmdlet get host. So as we are currently interested in UI, so we will write get host.ui, and we are interested in these properties system.management.automation.internal.host.internal.host raw user interface. So let's go into this raw UI. So we are accessing raw UI. So we get all these details: foreground color, background color, cursor position, window position, buffer size, window size, max physical window size, key available on the Windows title. So let's change these properties. So how can we change this property? So if we want to change the foreground color, so let's use this one, get host dot ui dot raw ui dot, we are interested in this property foreground color, we can change to green, and we are going to change the background color as well. Let's change it to black. Now let's change the window title. So let's copy it from to here, dot window title equals hacker. So see, the window title has been changed. Now let's try to change the buffer size. For changing the buffer size, there's a little catch. So what we need to do it first is, we will create new variable $new size equals $host.ui raw UI dot buffer size. And if I now call the new size, we are seeing the old, means the current configuration that is in place. The new size dot width equals 3000, $new size dot height equals 9000. So if I again call new size, we're getting the new data. So what we will do now, we will write $host.ui .raw UI .buffer size equals $new size. So all our configuration has been changed. If I run $host now, $host.ui.raw UI, we can see it has been changed to 3000 and 9000. But this change is temporary. Once we close this PowerShell window, the change will be gone. Yeah, that's all for today's class. Thanks. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.